Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change 2017 Chevy Tahoe headlight bulb, only way. Start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal, then open the hood and remove the air intake to reach the headlight housing. Use gloves to protect the bulb, twist and pull out the old bulb, insert the new bulb without touching the glass, secure the housing, reconnect the battery, and test the light for safety. Get your tools ready and clear a workspace near the vehicle for parts and fasteners. Put on gloves to keep oils off the bulb and protect your hands. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to eliminate shock risk and prevent electrical faults. Remove the air intake or battery tray as required to expose the headlight housing access. Lay out fasteners in order to make reassembly quick and accurate. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more car repair tips. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read repair manuals and instructions while you work, and it fits in a glove box for reference. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want a handy companion for projects. Now let's get back to the video. With access to the back of the headlight, work calmly and keep parts organized to avoid losing clips or screws. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise to unlock, then pull it straight out while supporting the housing. Handle the new bulb by the base, align the tabs, insert fully and twist clockwise until it seats and locks. Replace any removed covers or intake parts, reconnect the battery, and test high and low beams for proper operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.